Assalamu alaikum dear students. I do hope that definitely you'll be fine with the grace of Allah Almighty. In our last lecture, in the previous lectures, I told you about the A letter with different sounds. And today we are going to make you learn about another very important sound that also is based on A sound or A letter, that is called a sound. Listen carefully. Okay, and this sound is to be considered as a short sound, and that is called in literature, this sound is to be called as a schwa. Okay, the schwa sound is based on a very short sound that it seems to be like the start and end. It doesn't produce long sound, long word, long pronunciation, and usually this sound is based on A and H. Mean when we draw A joint two letters together, A and H, so it becomes a. Listen carefully that what kind of a sounds this letter or this obviously letter did produce. Listen very carefully. Uh, again, again. Okay, and now what is the basic position of this sound? Where this sound is generated? This is the one and a very important factor. Why? Because as I told you that in upcoming semesters, as far as the BS English obviously course is concerned, the two very important papers are obviously given to the students, or they are taught to the students. One is based on phonetics and the second one is phonology. So as far as the phonology is concerned, in linguistic, I'm talking about in linguistic is what we say in general term is the scientific study of human speech sounds. That it means that where the human speech sounds are generated, and again literature is divided into two further categories. Number one is called phonetic and the second one is called phonology. Phonetic is based on the scientific study of how the human speech sounds are spoken. Okay, but when we talk about the phonetics, okay, so this means that how the human speech sounds are generated in our mouth. Okay, this is a basic difference. So in the light of this definition, now I try to explain you the where this sound is being generated in our mouth position. Okay, as you see that where this is actually a picture of the mouth where the sound is being generated. The tip of the tongue is up a little and curled little. It means that when we make a turn up our tongue up, it takes a little curve. The top of the mouth, jaw moves down a little. The lips are usually rounded. The vocal folds separate and vibrate. The velum is raised, blocking off the nasal cavity. It means that it stops on the sounds that comes from our nose. Okay, tips. What kind of a tips this sound does produce? Practice the sound and make it a very sh sh sh. This is how we generate this sound. Listen carefully. Upon, upon. Again. Listen carefully that try to focus the sound, that how this sound does produce and how the remaining letters do join together and create a long sound. Upon. Okay, let's come and see that what kind of letters are used in production of this sound, sound. First of all, we have A letter. Okay, and A letter itself is based on the production as a sound. Listen carefully and try to understand that how and where this specific sound is generated. Equal, equal. Again, equal. Listen carefully. Again. Okay. The next one is zebra. Zebra. Try to focus on the or zebra, ah, ah. Focus on that sound.
Zebra, zebra, zebra.
The next one is amazing, 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 or amazing, amazing.
Amazing, amazing, amazing.
The next one is accept, accept.
Accept, accept, accept.
Okay. The furthermore is woman, woman.
Woman, woman, woman.
Did you see that here our focus is on a sound, and where this R sound is generated and obviously produced and pronounced. In the given below words, now it is up to you. You have to make the practice that like that of the breakfast, breakfast, agree, agree, apartment, apartment, America, America, banana, banana, upward, upward, circular, circular, and similar, similar. Try to produce this sound and focus, make a focus on a sound, that how this specific letter is being produced and pronounced. Here today in today's lecture, I do hope that definitely you must have understood this specific short schwa sound. It means that that is based on a letter, and that how this sound is being produced obviously with the help of different kind of words and letters. Till then, Allah Hafiz.